important topic. 3 or 4 videos onwards, I am discussing with the fractions concept only. In that last some videos, additional fractions, subtraction fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions. Okay, such kind of concept completed related to fractions. Now in this video, next actually we can discuss about multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. I want to say. So if you want to learn about multiplication of fractions or division of fractions, first of all, we should know about simplified form of fractions. That means fractions how to simplify, and fraction how to write in lowest form, simplified or lowest form, like that both are same. So how to simplify the fractions? That concept in this video I am going to explain it. Okay. So with examples I will explain simplified form of fractions. For example, 4 by 8 is there. 4 by 8. This 4 by 8 we can simplify in two ways. One is, first method is, okay, what is the first method means? The first method is, what are the prime factors of above number, what are the prime factors of below number or bottom number. So what are the prime factors of numerator or what are the prime factors of denominator? So for example, what are the prime factors of 4? 2 into 2. Either prime factors or factors. 2 into 2 by 8 factors of 2 into 2 into 2. Here 1 2 cancel, 1 2 how many times? 1 time cancel. So that is equal 1 ones are 1 by 2. So this is one way to simplify. 4 by 8 equivalent to 1 by 2. Here 4 by 8 and 1 by 2 both are equal. This is 1 by 2, there is no cancel chance. This is called as lowest form or simplest form of the fraction. The same one we can do like this way also. Second method, 4 by 8. 4 by 8. The second method is cancellation method. How to cancel means, see the numerator and denominator. They have common factors, they are not see. Here 4 and 8 both are having common factor 2. Not only that, both are having common factor 4 also. So in 4 table 4 will come and 8 also will come. That's why numerator and denominator cancel with the 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So like this also, we got it 1 by 2. So this is the method of simplified of fractions. So 1 digits. Now by taking 2 digits, numerator 2 digits and the denominator also 2 digits. With one example I am going to explain now. For example, 15 by 25. 15 by 25. First this method, next this method. Any one method we have to discuss. 15 factors 3 into 5 by 25 factors 5 into 5. Numerator of 5, denominator of 5, 1 time cancel. 3 ones are 3 by 5. So 15 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5. This is one method. And the second method is, take the same 15 by 25 again, is equal to 15 and 25 both are divisible by 5, because here unit plus 5 is there, here also unit plus 5 is there. So numerator and denominator both can be divisible by 5. 5 table 15, how many times cancel? 3 times cancel. 5 3s are 15. 5 table 25, 5 times cancel. So 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Like this, we can simplify 15 by 25. This is the lowest form or simplified form of this fraction. Okay. So next one more example, 3 digits you can take it. 3 digits. 3 digits. 142 by 246. 142 by 246. This is 3 digit fraction. Numerator 3 digits and denominator also 3 digits. How to simplify this one? Write in simplest form or write in lowest form. Here if you can observe means 142 is even number, 246 also the even number. So even numbers divisible by 2. That is the first point. That means one time 2 table, numerator denominator we have to cancel. Again one more time, like that we have to continue. That is one way. And another way is 142. It has 3 digits. Find out the sum of the 3 digits. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. Like that also you can verify possible or not. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So we are getting denominator 12. 7 and 12 they have no common factor to cancel. That's why other factors no, we cannot take it. Now we can take it only. First we can take it only 2 table same. First 14 cancel. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Denominator first 24 cancel. 2 12s are 24, 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? 71 by 123. 71 by 123 we got it. Okay. Again, is there any cancellation form? This is only lowest form or is there any cancellation form? The cancellation charge is there, we can verify one second. Numerator 7 plus 1, 8. And denominator 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Here 71 is odd number, 123 also odd number. But is there any cancellation possibility there? We can see. 3 table is possible, 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1 is 11, 3 table not possible to cancel. And any other numbers also not possible. The denominator should be cancelled 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. But numerator, there is no cancellation possible. 5 table not possible, 6 table not possible, and 2 table also not possible. So this is the lowest form. This is the lowest form of this fraction. So like this way, you can do it. Okay. If you can take this one more number, take it. What is there? Take one more fraction. One more fraction, you can take it and we can discuss. So suppose zeros numbers are there, zeros numbers. 240 by 340. For zeros numbers are there. So zeros numbers there means directly first you can cancel the zeros. Here you can solve the same one like this method also. That means what? Factorization method. Okay, you can try that one. And 240 by 340. Here 0 0 cancel. And remaining 24 by 34. 24 and 34 both are even numbers. Even numbers divisible by 2. So cancel. 2 12s are 24. 2 17s are 34. So what you are getting is 12 by 17. 12 by 17. 12 by 17. There is no having common factors except 1 to cancel. Or to write in simplest form or lowest form. So this is the lowest form of this fraction. Okay students, like this way you can write the simplest form or lowest form of the given fractions in 2 methods. Either this method or this method. Thank you. So in the next video I will explain how to multiply the fractions and how to divide the fractions. Okay. If you can like this video, please like this video and please write your comment and please subscribe my channel and touch the bell icon. Thank you.